Here are some medium-length healthy dinner ideas for weight loss, focusing on lean proteins, fiber, and healthy fats. 1. Grilled chicken and vegetables. Marinate chicken breast with lemon and herbs. Grill and serve with steamed broccoli and roasted sweet potatoes. 2. Salmon and asparagus. Bake salmon with olive oil, garlic, and lemon. Pair with roasted asparagus and a small portion of quinoa for extra fiber. 3. Vegetable stir-fry with tofu. Stir-fry tofu with mixed vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Add soy sauce and serve over cauliflower rice. For turkey lettuce wraps. Ground turkey cooked with spices, wrapped in lettuce leaves. Add diced cucumbers, tomatoes, and a bit of avocado for healthy fats. 5. Zucchini noodles with grilled shrimp. Saute zucchini noodles with olive oil, garlic, and marinara sauce. Top with grilled shrimp for lean protein. 6. Spinach and chickpea salad. Toss spinach, chickpeas, cucumber, tomatoes, and red onions with a light lemon dressing. Add grilled chicken or hard-boiled eggs for protein. 7. Quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Fill bell peppers with a mixture of quinoa, black beans, corn, and diced tomatoes. Bake and serve with a side of avocado. 8. Shrimp and avocado salad. Grilled shrimp on a bed of mixed greens with sliced avocado, cucumber, and a light vinaigrette. 9. Lentil soup. A warm, hearty soup made with lentils, carrots, onions, and spinach. Serve with a side of whole grain bread. 10. Cauliflower crust pizza. Homemade cauliflower crust topped with tomato sauce, veggies like spinach and mushrooms, and a small amount of cheese. Add lean protein like turkey sausage. These meals are balanced to promote satiety and weight loss while keeping you satisfied and energized.